Assalamualaikum friends. Today we will be studying Tas-heel al-Fiqh, level number 1. Istinja, how to use the toilet. Muslims clean themselves after passing urine or stool. We take care that urine does not splash on our bodies or clothes. We make sure that stool does not dirty our body or clothes. A dirty body can make us sick or give us a bad smell. To clean oneself after passing urine or stool is called istinja. Jazakallah. Keep your body clean. When washing or bathing, Muslims stay clean and neat at all times. Allah Ta'ala loves those who are clean. Shaitan likes those who are dirty. A dirty body smells and we can become sick. We keep our body clean by always washing and bathing. Clean habits. Some clean habits. Muslims make istinja after passing urine or stool. They always wash and clean their bodies. We also make sure that our teeth, hair, and nails are clean and tidy. Our mouth smells and our teeth may rot if we do not clean our teeth or make maswak. Long nails carry dirt and germs. Untidy hair makes us look dirty. Jazakallah.